Hello and welcome to Daily Red video. In this video we will see how to install Windows 10 technical preview on your Mac computer with the help of Parallels Desktop 10 software. So it has officially an option kept in front of Parallels Desktop 10 version to easily install Windows 10 technical preview. So the same way, once Windows 10 officially released by Microsoft, you can install it without any problem using the USB or with the disk image. So this is how the step flows. You have to select the Windows 10 technical preview at first, and then the next step will take you to the selection of language, which language you want to install. So here I have selected the English version, and when you select English, it will ask you to choose the location where the file should be stored, the image file should be stored that Parallels will create. So it takes 20 GB by default. So if you store more files inside your Windows operating system, then automatically it increases it. And so that auto expansion, you don't have to configure it, but if you want to configure, you can set it up to 200 GB or 300 GB based on your requirements. So once you have selected the options and the settings, like where it should be stored and everything, it begins to download the Windows 10 technical preview. Here I have skipped that part to save some time. It has successfully downloaded. It took me like almost an hour time in my 8 Mbps connection. And once it's downloaded, it just proceeds like a normal Windows installation, like Windows 8 installation or 7 installation. So as you can see, it started to copy the files that is required for installing the Windows. And the progress, the below you can see a small box which shows the progress, and you will also see the same progress in the Mac OS X dock icon right here. Once it's copied the files, it started to proceed with the setup of Windows 10 machine. It took really a lot of time for me, with the 8 GB RAM on my iMac. It took really a lot of time. So if you have more RAM memory in your iMac or MacBook Pro, then you'll obviously get into the desktop quickly. So it almost took 15 minutes or 10 to 15 minutes for me to complete the initial setup. All right, so here you can see the desktop. It looks simply stunning. The wallpaper choice is perfect, and there I can control the virtual machine, the Windows 10 technical preview virtual machine, which I have just installed. You can see the startup and shutdown, optimization of applications, and the memory, the RAM memory, how much hard disk space it should get. I can manually change everything, the complete Windows hardware settings. I can customize it here, and the security settings as well. And if I want to mention any description or give a name to this operating system, I can change it accordingly, because if I want to install multiple operating system, then I can easily identify which one is meant for which purpose. So that can be categorized very well with this name and description option. All right, as you can see, the start menu, it's back. At the same time, it is a lot improved, compared to the Windows 8. It's a lot improved. You can expand the menu, and you can most importantly, the one important thing I feel better is the shutdown icon. So finally Microsoft managed to bring it to the front, which I was missing totally in Windows 8 and Windows 8.1. so they kept everything to front and brought everything to front, and it's totally it's beautiful. And I can also maximize it to the full screen by allocating a separate desktop. So that's it. Don't forget to download Windows 10 and experience it. Also feel free to comment below if you have any queries, and don't forget to download the Parallels using our link that we have in the description of this video. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.